opportunity to talk in a very positive way about climate around the world. We want to take a Mission Impossible tour, and we want you to join us with it. So Hope, the protagonist in the series who has a podcast, and her best friend Bowie worked with Dr. G, who was the professor that really inspired Hope to move forward. Hope, tell us a little bit about your role, please.
Hello, I play Hope Harper, and in the story, I'm a podcaster that uses her voice to kind of spread the message. But I'm inspired by my favorite professor and some others to finally take action and pull on a thread of a mystery that only me and my best friend Bowie can solve.
That's right. And I play Tyler Bowman, otherwise known as Bowie. And I am Hope's best friend, ex-military kind of guy that's been around the block and seen some stuff. And we go on this amazing adventure around the world where I make sure that she doesn't get herself killed. And that's that.
And I'm the one who wrote this book with the introduction by the Pope Francis, and also with Al Gore and others. And it's an amazing book, but out of 3 million academic books, Chris Nolan, who's won 3 Emmy Awards, chose this to inspire him to write this beautiful, action-packed documentary. And it's noted for young people as well, to inspire them, like our 2 co-actors here.
Right. And Carla Snyder, as executive producer, wants to make sure that we take this message around the world. Thank you.